So placing that line, we've already moved from there. This is the new line for the Mustang II. So I'm bending the line using this awesome tool. I got a couple of these, a few different kinds. Kind of go back on my channel, you'll see all kind of break tools or break things that I've been tubing with. But this particular, when I'm doing lines like this, I love this tool. I mark the direction in which I want to bend. So I'm customizing the line to go back up there. Not exactly how my line was, but just a nice fit, because I don't know how long this is. I don't want to go make all the bends and it won't reach where it connects to. Okay guys, we're into a problem. So let me show you guys what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get it back similar to what it was on here. Come down, come here like the other one was, right along here, curve around this U-bolt, come around the diff all the way around, come up, come out of this clip, come around, come in and angle to the line right there. But you guys can see I ain't made no more bends, with the exception of making this bend to come here to lay flat up against the diff, and I'm not gonna make it. So, couple options. I could have ran it straight along the top of the diff, came around, made the curve around the diff, and ran directly into that hole. It's on the angle, as you guys can see. But I'm probably gonna make me a line, or make the line exactly how it was on here with this copper line. It won't never rust. Or I got extra line here. These are long. I'm gonna cut them off. So let me try this. Let me try to make that bend how the other line was on here. The 3/16 inch. One end is already flared, so I can just slide the flare nut on here. Okay guys, use the copper line, won't ever rust. Got it as close as I can to the actual line. This actually goes like so. So it's pretty much spot on. So I can go back just how it was on the car. So I got a flattish end. If you guys are familiar with my channel, you guys know I actually enjoy doing brake lines. I really do. But I'm gonna flare this really quick, like I just did this one. I just made that. I have to make another. I have to cut the other one off because I accidentally bent it without the flare nut on. So once I bent it, I want to get the flare nut on. It'll be close to how it was, but it's gonna look nice. It's the copper line to be back in the same place. So I'll contour it. This is copper, so it's malleable. I can contour it once I get it up there to how I want it. I got new flare nuts, and most importantly, this will never rust out. So I'll just put this away for something else, some other project. Probably was best that I use the copper. Let me flare this and let me install it and see what I got. Alright guys, it's time. I'm removing everything from the inside, everything. All this crap out of here. Clean this boy up. I said the interior was near mint in this vehicle. And now I gotta make it back nice. These panels may clean up back like they were. These things are like new. With the exception of this. So these may clean back up real well. It should take a really good, nice cleaning, and some vinyl cleaner should make these look real nice. But taking everything out, this boy, just to go for the night. Since I'm done with that, completely done with the bottom, gas tank install, everything. Oh, and the hatch. I'm gonna put those struts on right now and get all this stuff out of here. Just put them struts on, so I don't have to worry about this. Not as heavy as it normally be because that glass makes it super heavy. But here the struts are right here. Bought these about 2 years ago. Guys, I paused it here because these are not the right struts for the hatch for this particular vehicle. They are for the Mustang II. The video's coming soon, and I'm going to go in detail to show you why these don't work for my vehicle and what vehicles they work for. So the video should be up in a few days after this one. I'm going to show you guys another thing that happened that I bought. And sometimes it's best to check these things out. I bought something about 2 years ago. I bought some new wipers, even though he painted these black, and I like that look because we're going black. These turned out nice. But I bought some brand new ones. I bought 2 of them. And I just finally opened the pack after 2 years, and there was just one in there. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just stuck. Gotta order a new one because I can't even find a listing where I bought them from. They just sent me one. So I don't know if I'm gonna change them out or what. I don't. Also, I just fixed this. This is a wide body Fender flare for a Hellcat, and it was in pieces. And I hate I didn't show it before picture. And I had all those curves back and make this thing back nice. A lot of work and effort into this thing. It was completely in half in pieces. It flew off the vehicle and got ran over, so it was crushed. And I brought it back to life. Look how it should look. Even though I got some old school primer too. I gotta sand that down. But here's the piece. Here's the other one for the other side. So I got it just about back right. All these, I had to get all that shape back, and I did. So this is a wrap over this piece. So they're gonna wrap it. Oh, also this is the back side for the metal that covers the plastic gas tank that sits in the quarter panel. A really nice piece of metal. I just rust reformed it and some undercoating. This is the back side. Front side looks super good too. This thing turned out nice. Yeah. So just finish this up. Took me about a couple days to do that, but I'm not done. I'm gonna make it that he's able to attach it with some elevator bolts. So I'll put that in. Just a little side note, little side project, but getting this out of here. So I'm about to take that out, these windows, and get everything vacuumed out. All these pieces. Look at some of the hardware. Look at the door locks, trunk lock. He lost the trunk lock key. So I don't have no key for the trunk lock. Oh, those are the door locks. I don't have a trunk lock key. Well, I think I got a trunk lock key on there. I don't have a trunk lock. He lost the trunk lock. Unless it's in here somewhere. I don't see it. So got some surface rust. Gonna clean all that up, make it look nice. And time for me to go hard. So I'm gonna get these struts on so I can just keep this propped up and take these things out as I go. And the locks are so covered up. Tape. So I'm gonna clean all these up real nice. Clean all this up to make it look nice. So I'll turn the camera back on when I pop these struts on. So I'll get these panels off. And I'm gonna show all this stuff as I reinstall it. So there will be a nice little guide on how to do this stuff online. I'm gonna show every individual piece as I'm installing it to make, as I finish this project up, to finalize the tutorials on this particular car. I should have been and covered just about every single aspect of the Mustang IIs when I'm done, since I'm reassembling everything now and got everything out. Yeah, this is how they see. Look at the air box. This came equipped with air conditioning. And I do got that on my channel as well. I gotta remove the complete air box for the air conditioning unit. So, gonna leave the Pioneer radio in here. Has an amplifier, Pioneer amplifier. Gonna leave that here as well. But yeah, I do got some extra keys on here. So, this is it, guys. All right, bear with me. This is it. We're gonna pull most of this crap out as we prep to put the new carpet in. And let me pull this panel out right now. Let me pull this panel out. Super easy how these seat belts sit in here. Maybe I can show you guys. Just gotta make a couple loops. See it loops around there. Let's see if we can pop this out. Let me get this out here, guys. I don't want to break it. Pull the loops out. And with this one, you know, squeeze this in and push and pull it through. Just take some needle nose pliers. I'm trying to one hand this. Just squeeze. Through, and then angle that piece and push it and release. That's it. Super simple. Speaker has already been so let me pull this panel out and the glasses, and we should have a clear palette here, clear slate to work with. I'm gonna vacuum all this mess out, try to peel as much as I can of this. Doesn't matter if I leave it down, just add more cushion. As long as it don't create lumps in the carpet, it should have more.